Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest Sri Lankan Tamil version of dal curry. So let's go. So in a big pot, today I'm going to use about a cup and a half. Even a cup should be okay. I'm cooking for 2 days, so I'll do a cup and a half of dal. And basically what you want to do is wash this. And for the water, you're going to need about double or a little bit more. So one thing I'm going to say to you guys is I'm not good with measuring and posting recipes, but what I'm going to try to do is just tell you what I normally do in terms of measurement, and hope you can pick up from that, because I'm so sorry, I don't have any written down recipes. It's all like I've just done it so frequently, I just end up eyeballing mostly. We're also going to add about half a teaspoon, maybe a little less than half, of turmeric. Next, you're going to need a small white onion, a handful of green chilies based on your spice tolerance, and some curry leaf. Let's chop this up. I'm going to add another small piece of onion, maybe another half. Next, you're going to need that aside, the green chilies. I like to just slice them right through the middle in half. So, like so. The onions are really killing my eyes. We eat a lot of spice in our family, so that's why I'm using so much. You also want to take your curry leaves and just rip them. My dal has been washed. You want to make sure you wash it until the water runs clear. I've added 3 cups of water, and I'm going to add all this right into the pot. We're just going to let this boil on about medium heat. Make sure to watch so that it doesn't foam over. While that's boiling, we're just gonna peel some garlic. This is what we're gonna top the curry with in the end. So I'm using about 3, maybe 4 might be too much, and these are all big, maybe 4 medium-sized garlic cloves. Just gonna peel these quickly. So we're going to manually ground this out. So 4 cloves of garlic, and then from my spice box, we're going to add maybe 3/4 of a teaspoon of cumin and 3/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper. Maybe a little bit more, maybe like a teaspoon of black pepper. Like I said, so bad with measurement, and we're just gonna push this out. Might be smarter to do the garlic first and then stuff, but I'm in a rush today. Put a cloth under here. So you're only gonna use this at the end. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of salt. You can add more, you can add more later. Also have some hot water handy, so that if you need to add more water, you can just add the hot water. So let's just let that boil out. It's gonna increase the heat a little bit, and there you go. So as you can see, this is gonna need a little bit more water, so I just have my hot water. Sorry guys, I'm not great with measurement, but I think I added about another half a cup of water. where you can tell that this is not cooked. So that's how you know. Just adjust the water. It's no problem. So you can see here that the dal's pretty much cooked down, and this is the consistency you want to get to. So feel free to add a little water if you need to, if you're feeling like your dal has not cooked. I'm just going to lower the heat down a bit, and we're going to add some coconut milk. I use canned coconut milk. You can use powdered coconut milk, just a little, or you can use the real one, which is a bit of work to get, but it is obviously a lot better. This is just maybe like 3 teaspoons of coconut milk, just for that flavor, and that's it. So that is just gonna cook a little. After that, you can add your garlic, cumin, and pepper that you've ground up previously. Just add it right to the top. And then at this point, you can turn the stove off. Also going to add some fresh curry leaves right to the top, just like that. And then you give it a nice stir. And I already tasted it for salt and it was perfect. So just make sure you taste and see if it's according to your preference. And that's it. This is ready. So this is your Tamil Sri Lankan version of dal curry, and it is so good with rice, roti, bread, anything. Today I'm making a few other vegetarian curries, so this goes really well with it. Yeah, that's it. Try it and let me know, and follow us for more recipes.